Do you know you can also create amazing music videos using AI? First, take a quick look at this, and then I'll tell you exactly what I did to make this video.
Underneath the frosted pane, where the world begins to slow, every falling crystal light casts a soft and gentle glow in this silence wrapped in white.
That was awesome, right? It literally looks like scenes taken from a movie, and the character consistency throughout the video is outstanding. With the right tools and techniques, you can also create something like this. To create this video, I use Nano Banana Pro for the images, Sora 2 for the videos, and Suno for the music, all inside one tool and using just a single prompt. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, the possibilities of what you can create with AI are truly endless. You just need to be a bit creative, that's all. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright, the tool we'll be using today is called VideoInu. This is by far my favorite tool for creating amazing videos using Sora 2 because it really understands how to use Sora 2 effectively for image to video generation. Many other tools struggle or fail when generating videos from input images, especially images that include humans. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see this interface. Here, you can see multiple options to generate videos. If you scroll down a little, you'll also find amazing videos created by other users. You can go through them to get an idea of what's possible with this tool. Now, we'll be using the animation video option, so go ahead and click Create from here. After that, it will take you to an interface like this. Now, this is the section where you need to set the video parameters. Here, you can choose the video style, duration, and other settings. Alternatively, you can use the Zootopia sample option, which I used to create the video I showed you earlier. Now, why Zootopia? That's because the movie is doing absolutely stunning numbers at the box office, so there's a lot of buzz around it. Also, since the Christmas season is here, this is the perfect time to create a Christmas-themed music video in a Zootopia-style format. So I'll click on sample idea and it will automatically set all the parameters for you and create the characters and scenes for the music video, as you can see here. These are our main characters for the music video, and this character will be used as a reference point throughout the video. This ensures the character consistency stays on a whole different level. Next, you can see that it has already created a rough draft of the music video. You can go through it and make changes if you want, but I'll keep it as it is. Now here you can see two options. The first one is Preview Storyboard, which will take you to the storyboard section. The second one is Create Video, which will automatically generate all the images and videos for you. I personally prefer using the storyboard option because it gives me more freedom to review and fine-tune everything, so let's click on that. And then it will open this interface. I'm showing you the project for the video I shared at the beginning. As you can see, it has already created all the scenes, and if you go through them, you'll notice that the character consistency is really good. Now, to create the music video, you also need to generate the music. Let me show you how I did it. First, click on the music option and then go to create. As you can see here, it has automatically created a prompt to generate the music, which is very useful. You can use this prompt if you want, or you can write your own custom prompt. After that, simply click on generate and it will create the music for you. It's really that easy. It uses Suno to generate the music, which is by far one of the best AI music generators available right now. So the audio quality will be really good. Now, if you select any particular scene, you'll be able to see the prompt used to generate that image from this section. You can go through the prompt and make changes as you see fit. You can also click on the regenerate option to create a new image. As you can see here, it has now generated a new image and it looks absolutely stunning. If you want even more control, you can use the pre-built Nano Banana Pro option from here to make very specific changes. Just click on this option and write what you want to change. For example, let's change the weather. Then click on generate and here it is. As you can see, it has generated a new image and the weather has been changed. This is truly amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Now, to turn this image into a video, you need to click on the animate option. From here, you'll be able to see all the available video models. You can choose the one you like. For the prompt, you can either use the pre-made smart prompt generated based on the scene, or you can write your own custom prompt. After that, simply click on generate. If you want to turn all the images into videos at once, you can click on the Animate All button, choose the video model, and generate everything together. Personally, I don't use this method because I prefer doing it one by one, as it gives me much more control over the final result. Now, once you're happy with everything, you can export the video. To export it, first click on Next. From here, make sure to turn the video volume down to 0. This step is very important, otherwise, the individual video clip sounds will also get mixed into the music. As we all know, Sora 2 generates background sounds as well, but for a music video, we only want the music generated by Suno. After that, click on Generate and let it process everything. Once it's finished, you can preview your video from here. To download it, simply click on the download button. As you can see, it supports up to 2K quality, which is amazing. I'll go with 1080p for now. Just click confirm and you're done. And here's the final result.
Underneath the frosted pane, where the world begins to slow, every falling crystal light casts a soft and gentle glow. In this silence wrapped in white, my heart finds only you. All the wishes whispered along, finally coming true. Oh, this Christmas night, my love, feels like heaven sent, with your hands held tight in mine, every moment heaven lent. Let the music...
That was simply awesome, right? And now you can do it too. It's the holiday season, music content is performing really well, and this is the perfect time to take advantage of it and create amazing content. Also, if you want to learn how to use this tool to create stunning anime short films, make sure to check out my previous video where I've explained everything in detail. With VideoInu, you can truly unleash your creativity. So what are you waiting for? Go try this tool now and start creating outstanding content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.